Willow bark powder is a skincare ingredient with pore cleansing property, helps smoothen rough or wrinkled skin, helps shed dead and dull skin cells, calms inflammation on irritated or pimple skin. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY salicylic acid. You will need 1 teaspoon of willow bark powder. Willow bark extract is a potent herbal remedy for many skin problems. It can exfoliate your skin, reduce excess oil, clear up your pores, as well as help to keep your skin hydrated. This gentle but potent extract can heal acne and prevent future flare-ups. It can also be used to treat eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Rose water is also known for helping to reduce the appearance of facial redness. With its antibacterial properties, it can balance out your skin's complexion and fight against red and blotchy areas. Rose water for skincare is also highly effective in treating oily, acne-prone skin. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste, apply all over your face and neck, leave it for 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with plain water.